guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my everyday hair and makeup routine. So the first thing I do is spray my hair all over with water so that it'll be moisturized and easier to style. Next, I'm using the Texture ID Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner and spraying it all over my hair. Then I add a little more water and a little more conditioner to make sure that my hair is completely moisturized all over. Now I'm going to put my hair into a low, sleek bun, so I'm parting my hair into a side part using a wide tooth comb. And now I'm putting my hair into a low bun and tying it with a satin scrunchie. And now I'm spraying my hair with more water because I noticed that if I put more water before the gel, then it's easier for me to slick my hair down when the gel's in it. So now I'm using the Wetline Extreme Gel to slick down my hair. And now I'm spraying a little more water and brushing my hair down. And this is the final hairstyle, and now for my everyday makeup look. So first I'm applying the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 22. And then I'm blending it out with a foundation brush. Next, I'm applying the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 332 all over my face. Then I'm contouring my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 375. And now using the e.l.f. powder highlighter, I'm highlighting my face. And now I'm just using the brush from the LA Colors brow pencil to brush out my eyebrows. And lastly, I'm applying the Sephora Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. And this is the final hair and makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!